what is the way forward? India-Nepal relation. The way forward. So, we according to many, we are the closest neighbors because we had a very good connection, 1800 plus kilometers of border, open border, cultural similarities, shared history, and as I told you 32,000 Nepali personnel in Indian Army, that is something extraordinary. And and also not only that, from Nepal, because of the Indian business in Nepal, Nepal is the 7th largest remittance sending country for India. 7th largest remittance sending country. 7th largest, because we are getting lot of remittance from Gulf countries, we are getting remittance from Canada, from US, but even Nepal is 7th largest. You can imagine the amount of Indian business in Nepal and from their money coming to India. And as far as the border trade is concerned, we have the largest border trade, the top border trading partner, border trade number 1, India Nepal, because we have seen almost $8 billion trade all along the border, much higher than even with Bangladesh. Okay, border trade, when you look at that, land border trade. Okay, so we have more than 20 exit and entry points we have already seen. Now, millions of migrant Nepalis in India and Indians in Nepal, so that is the way it is there. Now, what is required, what needs to be done? Okay, what needs to be done is the question. Number 1, India should recognize the limitation that Nepal is an independent country, Nepal is a sovereign country. We should treat Nepal as an independent country, we should not be treating Nepal as another state of India. It is, yes, it is smaller than UP, it is smaller than Bihar, but Nepal should be respected as a sovereign state. The one big issue, one big problem we are looking at, we have civilizational links, but we should treat Nepal as an independent country. And now, the second point is the India-Nepal Friendship Treaty of 1950 treaty. Nepalis are not happy, and we also know that that special relationship is always seen as the Nepalis do not want that treaty right now. We should be open to renegotiate. See, if there are some issues, see, 1950 reality is not 2020 reality. 70 years down the line, definitely we should be looking at the treaty and we should be looking at incorporating the Nepali concerns, Nepali, the sentiments, we should be looking at it. And what I am trying to say that if we can resolve all the border dispute with Bangladesh, which is very complex. We have resolved the dispute with the Bhutan and we can rewrite the bilateral agreement or the treaty with Bhutan. This is not a big issue at all. If we can resolve the Bangladesh dispute, we can resolve the treaty with we can rewrite the treaty with the Bhutan. We should not having much problem in doing that. Okay, we can easily manage it. And no bilateral relationship can build on sentiments. Only on sentiments. We need trade is a big issue. Bilateral trade, and the trade is highly one-sided right now. It is highly one-sided, and if $7.7 billion is India's export to Nepal, but Nepal's export to India is only $0.5 billion. You can imagine it is highly one-sided. We need to increase help Nepal to export more to India, no doubt regarding that. And a fourth point, I would like to say that Madeshis are not Indians. See, they are only Indian origin people and we cannot be that sentimental and we cannot interfere in the internal affairs of Nepal beyond a point. Yes, if Madeshis have a concern, we can highlight that point in a friendly way, not through an economic blockade. And economic blockade is a counterproductive stuff, and we should never we should give a promise to Nepal that no more economic blockades. We should give a promise to Nepal that no more economic blockade, and we should tell them in no uncertain terms. We should even accept and acknowledge that it is a mistake. Previous, not only 2015, even 1989 blockade or 1975 blockade, we should tell them, we should assure them that we will not do. And water and the river water agreements. See, 83,000 megawatt potential in Nepal and hydroelectric power. India has huge demand for water, electricity. Hydroelectric power is very cheap. We should, and when North Bihar is always affected by the floods from Nepal. We need to have agreements with Nepal so that we can control the floods, and also we can generate money, we can generate electricity, we can encash on this, but that should be with full full consent of the Nepal, so that the Nepali people's concerns about this treaty should be avoided. And a seventh point is, China is a reality. The China will try to meddle, China will try to exploit the situation. China is a reality. China is a neighbor, so China will try, okay, they will try to improve their relationship, and geographical barrier should not be seen as an essential block. Okay. See, the China, Nepal, till recently we were always vowing and saying that because of Himalayas, Nepal will not be able to move closer to China, but that is not the case. Then China-Nepal relation will improve, and geography is not an essential block. Only because of geography, you should not take Nepal for granted. Technology is improving, things are completely changing, and Nepal will move close, but we should ensure that, and we cannot stop. And China has the Belt and Road Initiative, and China has money power. So, we should not be unduly worried about the money power. Let them use the money, but if our relationship with the people are good, if our relationship is good, we can easily manage. And most importantly, so this we need to make sure that people are on our side, but through good wishes or good planning and soft power, our cultural link. We always use the term soft power. We should use our soft power. We should create India likable to the Nepalis by helping them. We can easily do that. And then most importantly, one more point I would like to add, Nepal is, we are having an open border, 1,800 kilometer open border. We cannot close that easily, and we should not be thinking also. Because of that open border, our national security, Nepal is very critical to our national security. We should improve our relationship with Nepal, Nepali leadership. Their misgivings should be addressed. Even the Maoist issue, and even there are around the Terai region, around 8 to 9% of the population are Muslims, and they are not in great economic shape, and Terai region people are economically very poor. They can also be radicalized. Maoism can be there. Maoists can be spreading there, and there it can create a problem for the safety and security of UP and Bihar. So, we need to have better relationship. It can affect our safety and security, it can affect our national security, and open border cannot be ignored that easily. So, it is very important for us. So, we need to develop this Terai region. So, what I am trying to say is that it is an open border. Let us help Nepal in developing the Terai region rather than blockading and supporting the blockade. Let us develop Terai, improve the connectivity, improve the facilities, help the people, so that we should be able to help in the development of the Terai region, the Madeshis, rather than interfering in the internal affairs and trying to put pressure on the leadership in Kathmandu. Okay. So, anyway, so these are some of the steps we can take, and if Nepal is moving strongly secular. Don't forget. And this secularism is what India also wants. We don't want religious fundamentalism there in Nepal. We don't want Hindu fundamentalism. We don't want Muslim fundamentalism in Nepal. So, a good ground was created. Even the Communist Party rule, they don't believe in religion. So, when such things are not there, India should be able to improve our relationship and our ideology of secularism, our ideology of equality, fraternity. The same philosophy is there in Nepal right now, at least on paper. We should be exploiting that situation. So, it's a ground very well, well ripe enough for India to improve the relationship, but unfortunately we lost out, we missed out. We should have been avoiding this situation. So, anyway, so these are some of the ways in which we can improve the relationship. What needs to be done, we can add all these points.